Now I'm going to share the platform with you, explain how it works, and how to set it up in the best way to earn more than $20,000 a month. Our team has been working with this platform for about 2 years now, and so far we haven't had any problems. Now I'll show you the entire guide, so get comfortable and let's get started. By the way, if you don't have any trading experience, after this video, you'll be able to easily reach $1,000 a week. So pay close attention and copy all the settings. The very first thing is the currency pairs. I recommend adding all the currency pairs available in BoosterBot, as we will be working specifically with this bot. If it hasn't been activated yet, go ahead and click the link in the description right now to activate this bot. It's completely free and ready for your trading. BoosterBot has 12 currency pairs. I recommend adding all of them to your path. Pocket option. This way, you'll clearly see where the best payout is right now. And I suggest starting, for example, with the euro-dollar currency pair as my next action. I'm going to the BoosterBot, selecting euro-dollar and choosing the time for the trade that I want to work with. In my case, it will be 1 minute for the trade. And I receive a buy signal on the new 5-second candle. I'm going to open my buy trade. I'm opening my buy trade now and will wait for the result. How to choose the right currency pair. For trading, since the BoosterBot is an analysis machine, it will provide you with quality signals. But there's a way to make it easier for him and, accordingly, increase your chances of success. Choose currency pairs that have either a good upward movement or a good downward movement. Or, in the worst case, where the currency pair is in a sideways movement. If you're choosing a currency pair and you can't immediately understand where and how the price is moving, or if it has such gaps, then it's better to skip those currency pairs. For example, I won't be trading the Australian Canadian dollar for now until this market stabilizes. The choice of currency pair greatly influences your result. So, if you want to know which currency pairs are better to use and which ones the entire BoosterBot community is currently making money on, then subscribe to our Telegram project where we share the best currency pairs. You can simply copy all the settings and start earning. Also, almost every day we share statistics on the best currency pairs that work for 5 or 3 minute expirations. And also, almost every day we share statistics on the best currency pairs, what time is best to use and what percentages are the community getting. So make sure to subscribe to our Telegram project to stay updated on all the best currency pairs that you can earn on right now with the BoosterBot. Now I want to open a trade on the British pound against the dollar. And I will show you the most important advantage of this platform over all the others. I'm getting a sell signal, waiting for the new 5-second candle, which is very important. And on this candle, I open my sell trade. Nothing much has happened right now, but in about 2 or 3 cases out of 10, you might encounter the following situation. If you want to open your sell trade, you wait for a new 5-second candle. And you experience a sharp impulse. In this sharp impulse, you open your sell trade, and literally the next candle gives you that impulse. Accordingly, on all this movement, you can make up to plus 10 points. This is a really cool method that you should use. Yes, if you're just a beginner, then be careful. And I recommend starting with 15-second candles to get used to the market. But if you're already confident in yourself and you're really ready to start earning, at the very best entry points, use 5-second candles for your trading. As you can see, this trade is easily bringing me $790 and it's giving me great movement. What else do you need to know about chart settings? I recommend using Japanese candles. In some strategies, Heikin Ashi candles are used, hours. Well, as for we use candle timeframes, S4, S15 and S30 if we're trading on 3 or 5 minutes. Expirations, expiration, time. What does that mean? It means for how long we will open a trade together. I advise you to understand what your time frame is. To do this, subscribe to the YouTube channel of the BoosterBot project, where I share more details about all the time frames and all the trading life hacks. So, if you want to earn quickly, I recommend using M1. If you're a lazy trader, then use M5. These are 2 completely different charts that require different analyses. Now I'm choosing the British pound and the Canadian dollar. I'm choosing the candle type with 5. The chart looks pretty good. I see that a downward movement is starting here, so I'm switching to the BoosterBot and selecting this currency pair. Time for the trade, I choose 1 minute and I get a buy signal on the new 5-second candle. I'm opening my buy trade. What else do you need to know about this platform? As a major advantage, for BoosterBot, this platform supports the integration of artificial intelligence, but It's important to note that automated trading is prohibited here, basically just like in other types of trading. That's a bit unfair. If your algorithm knows how to make money, then it is considered hacking or even fraud. But in this case, you and I only receive the analysis. We open the deal with our own hands, so we don't break any rules. Well, even pocke option itself has artificial intelligence, but it doesn't work quite correctly. But that's a different topic, and I don't recommend using that artificial intelligence. So if you have that button, you go to the settings and turn off that button. And it won't bother you anymore. $870 I'm taking from this simple trade. By the way, if you want to find out the most up-to-date information that you can earn with BoosterBot, then write to the support account. So just ask the question, what is the most relevant information right now that you can earn from? And our managers will help you and send you the information that is currently the most relevant at this moment. The link to the support account will also be in the description. So all you have to do next is choose currency pairs with good movement and receive signals. It's a pretty monotonous yet interesting process that you can still learn trading with. You choose a currency pair and then you think about why BoosterBot gave a signal to sell or buy. For example, right now I see that I'm getting a sell signal. I'm waiting for a new 5-second candle and I'm thinking about why I got a sell signal here. Next, I start doing a light technical analysis. There's a downward movement here, but after such an impulse, there could be a correction. Yes, maybe, but it will be small. So for 1 minute, considering that there's currently high volatility in the market, the trade should close in profit. And just for 1 minute, the current price indicators will be below my entry point. So I will be in profit and earn $630 from this trade. Let's keep an eye on it. Oops! At the last moment, the trade closed in the red. But as you can see, the price couldn't break through that level. If I had entered a bit earlier, if I had received the signal earlier, I would have closed in profit. Unfortunately, this happens. You just need to be ready to cover that loss. So, I'm going to open the next trade for $1,750. I'm choosing the US dollar against the Japanese yen. I'm choosing this currency pair in BoosterBot and selecting the time for the trade. I'm getting a buy signal, and right from here on the new 5-second candle, I'm opening a buy trade. As you can see, there's a great upward movement here, and I'm opening a trade in line with the trend. I also want to remind you that BoosterBot is currently available to you through the link in the description. All you have to do is go and activate this bot. The activation process takes just about 10 minutes. It's not that hard, but this robot has huge potential of your trading, so by integrating it into your trading, you can start earning with it. A great trade brings me 1,200. And the previous trade was supposed to look just like that, with a small correction followed by an impulse. But as you can see, that didn't happen in the last trade. The price level held, but here the price broke through that level. But as you can see, that didn't happen in the last trade. The price level held, but here the price broke through that level. And I made $1,200. I will leave all the useful links for you in the description. Now you know how to work with pocke option. It's a pretty simple and user-friendly platform that also supports the OTC market. If you want to learn more about OTC, you can subscribe to this YouTube channel and wait for new information. Or ask our managers about the OTC market, and they will give you more detailed information. That's all I have for today. See you soon.